Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so glad you found me. I have a Christmas Dollar Tree DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how fun and easy it is to make these adorable mini Christmas wreath ornaments for your tree. Let me show you how to make them. To get started, you're going to need some of these wired garlands that you can get from Dollar Tree. I have these left over from last year. You get 12 pieces in a pack and you need one to make the ornament. So with one pack you can make 12 ornaments. So that's super budget friendly. And then you just need either some thin ribbon or some jute cord or some heavy duty twine to make for the hanger. I'm going to be using this really pretty silver thin ribbon. Take out your piece of your garland. The first thing that you need to do is to push all of the little leaves there, all going down in the same direction. So just slowly work your way down your stem and push all of those so that they are all going down. See, so I have them all pushed down so there's nothing sticking up on the top. Okay, so I have all of my leaves going down in the same direction. And you want to go ahead and make a curl. Now, you can make either a very large one, like that, just going around once. I prefer to go around twice. So I take it and I wrap it around and I keep doing that until the ends come together. Then just kind of work on getting it shaped. You want to keep everything pushed out. Okay, so once you've got it to where they come around and they meet, cut yourself a piece of ribbon or jute cord or whatever you're going to use as your hanger. Double it over and then tie a knot in the bottom. See, I just tied a knot on the bottom. Now, you're going to start by gluing one of the ends together, so you need to find its placement. And then you take a little bit of hot glue and glue it down. Be cautious not to burn yourself, but you're only concerned with that one end first. Once you have that end down, and you want to bring your other end up. Now it doesn't have to meet exactly, but it needs to be close, and that's where the top is going to be. So before you glue this end down, you want to glue your hanger down. So add a small amount of glue and place your hanger. And add a little bit of hot glue on top of that. And then glue down the other end. Now this works really well because it hides that, so you don't see it. Okay, if you see any extra ribbon or jute cord or whatever, just trim it off. Okay, and then across from that, you want to glue the two rings together so they don't come apart or open. And just a small dab will do. Now once your glue sets up, just go back and work again on pulling all of your greenery so it's facing out. And then there you go. You have your basic little mini wreath to start with, and then you can go ahead and decorate. Now it's up to you if you want to decorate both sides or just one. I'm only going to do one side. Now, of course, there's all kinds of things you can use to decorate these. I just pulled out a few things that I have, a little bit of extras. I made a couple small little bows out of some Christmas ribbon I had left over. I picked up these really cute little wood ornaments from Walmart last year, and they came in a little package like this. So if you have anything like this left over, you can use that. I've also used some of the DIY stickers from Dollar Tree. I have the little boot here that's already painted. I have a little tree. And then I pulled out some of the little snowflakes here. And I painted them white. These are also the DIY stickers from Dollar Tree. Now you can also use things like the little laser cut icons. Some good choices would be some of their crosses. I found these two different packages of crosses. And they also have stars, so you could use any of the stars. And then I was thinking it would be pretty maybe even to put a little bird on there. So they also have birds. So you have a lot of choices. And then I also have some little mini pine cones. I have some of the little pom-poms, glitter pom-poms. I have another little ornament that I got from Dollar Tree left over. I have some bells and pearls. And then I also have these. Now these were little stickers. Now you get a bunch of little holly leaves, and then they had these little rhinestones to go with them. So anything like this you can use to decorate. I just kind of play with mine and go ahead and lay out some stuff first and see how it looks. Look and see what you want to work with, what looks good together. You know, do you want it in the center? Do you maybe want it off on the side? So play with it until you decide how you want it to be. I mean, it can be very simple. A little bow, some little red and green pom-poms. You can also add little bits of greenery or glitter. Some small red blooms. And you have a lot of choices. And then once you decide how you want to lay everything out, then just go ahead and glue them on. I'm going to start here with a bow. I'm going to put this one right at the top. And I think I'm going to add some little blooms, and I want just the flowers. I'm just going to trim off a few and add those. And how fun and easy. For $1 you can make 12 Christmas ornaments. And just use the little bits of things that you have left over. Because on these you don't need a lot, you only need a few. If you enjoy craft tutorials and learning new craft techniques, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do upload new content every week. And if you hit the notification bell when it pops up, you'll be the first to know whenever I upload new content. I think I'm going to add some pearls on this one. This is a fun project that you can get the whole family involved in. The possibilities are endless. You can customize these to any home decor that you have. If you like farmhouse, you can easily do maybe a black and white check bow with some pearls, or just maybe the snowflakes, and keep it very simple. But there's just so many different things that you can do depending on what you have on hand. But see how quick and easy that was? Super cute. Here's another one that I did. A little pine cone, some berries, a little ribbon. Very cute. Another one. There are so many different ways that you can decorate these. Just look at what you have on hand. So fun for the whole family. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's craft. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching. Thanks again for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. If you enjoy craft tutorials, make sure to check these out. You have a great day, and I'll see you next time.